In this video, we'll learn about the second speaking task on the TOEFL. This is the second and final independent speaking task, which means that there is no listening and no reading, just a question and speaking. Let's hear those questions. I'm going to give you 4 sample questions. The first is here. When some people travel, they prefer to visit warmer places, while others prefer to visit colder areas. Which do you prefer and why? And here's another. Do you feel that music is helpful while studying? Why or why not? Give your opinion and explain with details and examples. Okay, so you should already notice why, explain. This is just like the first speaking task. You need to give specifics. You need to give reasons. You need to explain your answer. Do not just repeat the same basic idea again and again. You need to answer why. Okay, and the next one. Some students prefer to work closely with their teachers, while others prefer to have more independence and work alone. Which do you prefer? Explain why. Alright, you might notice something in this one. Prefer, and actually we saw that in the first one too. Prefer. Why is this same word happening so often? Well, this question is a choice between 2 things. You're going to select one and explain why it's better than the other. In the first question here, we are talking about different places, warmer places and colder places. And there's a specific structure that you should notice because you might see it on your TOEFL. When some people, while others, and same in this question here, some students, while others, it gives you an idea that you're choosing between those 2 opinions. This one here is just a yes or no question. Do you feel that music is helpful while studying? Yes? Okay. No? Okay. But you have to say why. So it's not so short, clearly. Let's look at one more example that's a little bit different. Do you agree or disagree with the following statement? Give reasons and examples to support your opinion. Pets help people to relax. It is important to have a pet to reduce stress. Okay, notice this part in bold, in strong letters here. It is not a question. Unlike these others, we don't have a question in the choice. We just have a statement. And instead, our choice is here. Agree or disagree. This looks a little different, but the way of answering is the same. You have one choice or another choice, and you pick one which is better and explain why it's better than the other. Alright. Let's think about the clock a little bit. As always, the clock makes speaking a little bit difficult. This is the same as speaking task number 1. You're going to read the question, and you will also hear the question through your headphones. And then, after you read the question, you'll have 15 seconds to prepare, to write some notes. And then you'll have 45 seconds to speak, just a few sentences. So altogether, this takes just 1 minute, a little bit more because you have to read the question and hear the question. But it's very, very quick. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you.